Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to do a voice chat on Roblox. So first of all guys, to do that you have to enable one permission from privacy. Click on setting, three dot, click on settings. Now go to in privacy. In privacy, once you are in the privacy, you just need to scroll down and you have to enable camera input, microphone input from the privacy. The first permission is a microphone to chat with voice. Just enable it by click on tab toggle button. Just click on it and click on enable to enable it. Once enabled, now go back to any game to do voice chat. Let's open any game. So guys, once you're in the game, to enable or to do voice chat, you just need to click on this mic icon or avatar over avatar head to enable voice chat. So just click on it, and as you can see, there is a variation in mic. So that's how you can do it. That now you can talk to anyone in the game. So that's how you can do voice chat on Roblox in any device. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And if you're new in channel, please subscribe to our channel.